Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to add IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes ratings onto your Netflix. Okay, first, this only works on Google Chrome. So if you don't have Google Chrome, then you're gonna need to download it. Trim, IMDb rating on Netflix and Prime Video. Next, you're gonna have to download a Chrome extension called Trim. I'll go ahead and leave the download website link below. It's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is add extension and then it'll start to download. Now, let's go Netflix and see if it works. Now the screen should pop up and then it says snip. All you have to do is push OK.
Okay. Now, as you can see, IMDb and Rotten Tomato scores are now on. So this movie, Nimona, for example, has a 7.5 and Tomato has 91%. Now you can see 6.6 and 99, or 6.8 and 70. So there you go, guys. Now we have an extension for Chrome where you can add IMDb and Rotten Tomato. Prior to that, Netflix did try to do a rating once, but it didn't work out. They took it away. And I think it's because when people see bad ratings, they don't want to watch it. And then so no one was watching those movies. And then Netflix realized, well, then we're going to have to spend more money to get more better movies. So let's just take away the whole rating system in general. Anyway, yeah, so they changed it to this match thing. I never rely on that. 89% match. Anyways, I like this though. IMDb, I'm not saying that they're the best ratings or rating providers, but then Rotten Tomatoes is pretty good, I think, in general. Go ahead, guys, try it out and tell me what you think. Has this helped? Have you noticed now it has the gold and then the white? That's the ratings now. You can see 7.3 and then 63 on Tomato. Well, this one doesn't have it. And so I guess they don't all have it. But then anyways, I hope this little Netflix hack helped you guys. It only works on Chrome right now, so it doesn't work on Safari. But then let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching, all right? Appreciate it. Have a good one.